the ground cover gang. Your garden's easy heroes. Hey everyone, and welcome to the world of ground covers. Those incredible plants that keep your garden looking tidy while you relax. In this video, we're exploring 12 amazing ground cover plants, each with its own unique charm. Whether you want a lush, wild look or just less weeding, you're sure to find your perfect green companion here. Grab a drink and let's dive into our first pick. Get ready, because gardening just got exciting. 1. English Ivy. The ground cover powerhouse, English Ivy, is like the ultimate ground cover. It's incredibly tough, growing in sun or shade, and stays green all year long. Its strong roots cling to everything, quickly creating a dense cover. However, it's a fast and aggressive grower. You'll need to prune it regularly to keep it in check, or it will take over. Plant it where it has room to spread, like under old trees or on an unsightly wall, but avoid house facades. It's great for wildlife, but also needs to be managed carefully. 2. Barren Strawberry. The shady spot secret. Barren strawberry is a hidden gem for shady spots. Its vibrant yellow flowers bring cheer in spring, and it forms a dense green carpet that naturally suppresses weeds. It's incredibly low maintenance, tolerating root pressure from trees and remaining evergreen. The main thing to remember is that it grows slowly, so patience is key. Or plant more for quicker coverage. 3. Cranesbill, the colorful all-rounder. Cranesbill is one of the most versatile perennials for ground cover, offering beautiful blooms in a wide range of colors like pink, blue, and white. It's adaptable to sun or shade, and grows quickly but not aggressively. Most varieties are winter hardy and many are evergreen, adding color. After flowering, some types might look a bit messy, but a quick trim will tidy them right up. It's a reliable, beautiful, and easygoing plant for any garden. 4. Periwinkle. The dependable spreader periwinkle is a dependable choice that stays cool and green all year, even in harsh weather. It features charming blue flowers in spring and forms a dense mat that prevents weeds. It excels in difficult areas, like shade or slopes. Be aware, though, that it spreads very quickly, so regular pruning is essential. Also, it's poisonous, so keep it away from pets and small children. 5. Bishop's Hat. The elegant shade lover bishop's hat is an elegant ground cover, perfect for shady locations. It thrives where other plants struggle, offering delicate, often two-toned flowers in spring and attractive foliage that changes color. It's surprisingly drought-tolerant, making it a low-watering option. The main consideration is its slow growth. You'll need patience for it to fill in. Trim back old leaves in late winter to highlight its beautiful spring blooms. 6. Japanese Spurge. The neat and tidy option. Japanese Spurge is an unobtrusive yet highly effective ground cover that absolutely loves the shade. It forms dense, glossy green carpets that stay colorful all winter and produce small white flowers in spring. It's incredibly low maintenance, suppressing weeds and protecting the soil with minimal effort from you. It grows slowly and doesn't do well in direct sun, making it ideal for shaded areas where you want a consistently neat look. 7. Creeping Phlox. The spring color explosion Creeping Phlox is a true spring show, bursting into vibrant pink, white, blue, or purple blooms that cover entire areas. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it perfect for rock gardens, walls, or slopes. It's an early bloomer and stays low, working well as a lawn substitute in quiet zone. After its spectacular flowering, it returns to a green carpet. Trim it lightly after blooming to maintain its shape and encourage bushier growth. 8. Creeping Thyme. the fragrant and functional choice. Creeping thyme is a fantastic choice that is not only beautiful but also fragrant and a magnet for bees. It needs lots of sun and well-drained lean soil, perfect for rock gardens or sunny paths. It's drought-resistant, winter-hardy, and requires almost no care. Plus, it's foot traffic tolerant, making it great for pathways or filling cracks in paving. Remember, it grows slowly and hates wet, heavy soils. 9. Winter creeper, the versatile evergreen. Winter creeper is a truly versatile plant. It can be a ground cover or even a climber. It boasts decorative, evergreen foliage in various shades, providing year-round interest. It's extremely tough, tolerating frost, heat, sun, and shade, and is easy to prune into shape. Be warned though, if left unchecked, it can spread aggressively, climbing walls and other plants. It is mildly toxic, so consider its placement carefully. 10. Burberry cotonista, the multitasking beauty. The Burberry cotonista is a true all-rounder. Beautiful, low-maintenance, robust, and offers a year-round show. It forms dense mats that suppress weeds and prevent soil erosion, making it ideal for slopes. Its small white spring flowers attract bees, and in autumn it produces bright red berries that are a treat for birds and look festive. It's winter-hardy, easy to prune, and thrives in sun or partial shade. The berries are mildly toxic, so don't snack on them. 11. Blue cushion. Blue cushion is a spectacular spring bloomer, transforming garden edges, rock gardens, and beds into a vibrant sea of purple, blue, or pink. It demands full sun and forms dense cushions that spill over stones and walls. It's winter-hardy, low maintenance, and a favorite of bees. The vibrant show is mainly in spring, after which it remains a green cushion. Make sure it's in dry conditions, as it dislikes soggy soil. Trim it back after flowering for a compact shape next year. 12. Stonecrop, the indestructible survivor. Stonecrop, also known as sedum, is the ultimate survivor among ground covers. It laughs at drought, heat, and poor soil conditions, thanks to its fleshy leaves that store water. It forms flat carpets or cushions, and often boasts charming, star-shaped flowers. Sedum is perfect for rock gardens, green roofs, and dry walls, any challenging spot where other plants give up. It thrives in sun, but won't do well in shade or overly wet conditions. So, there you have it, our top 12 ground cover heroes. They'll beautify your garden, reduce your workload, and bring a touch of nature back. Pretty cool, right? If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips. What are your favorite ground covers? Share them in the comments below.